Hi guys, in this video we are going to see about subnet. Okay, and what is subnet? Subnet, it is um, a piece of network inside a large network. Okay, subnet. Net is nothing but network. Okay, um, let's say you have a large network. Inside that, you will not be able to manage everything at the same point of time. So what we can do is we can create a small networks and manage and monitor. So there are different types of IP addresses. For that, we have IPv4, IPv6. Okay, and what is IPv4? It is the Internet Protocol version 4. Okay, this has 32 bit. Okay, and it is 128 bit. So in this IPv4 itself, we have five classes. Okay, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, in this one we use only ABC network, ABC class. Sorry, ABC class. It is divided into five classes. So A, B, C, D, E, and these two are not used by us. Okay, and ABC is used by us. So ABC. If you Google it, for IP classes, here you can say 0 to 127, 128 to 129, and 192 to 223. Okay, so yeah, if you click on this website, it will tell about IP addresses, lot of stuffs. And here, if you come, yeah, it it says multicast addresses and reserved. So we don't use class D and class E. Okay, class A, class B, class C we use. So it is 1 to 126. So yeah, 1 to 126, 128 to 191, and class C is 192 to 233. Okay, and here what happened about 127. So 137, it is the back address. Okay, it is a loopback address. Or if you put that localhost.com means it will come 127.0.0.1 like that. Okay, and this is about this loopback address and how you can check about bit 32 bit. How can I say it is a 32 bit? Means you can say like, let me take 92.168.1.1. Okay, each each has 8 bit. Okay, each has, give me a second. Yeah, 8 bit. Totally you will get 32 bit. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. 8 bit, 8 bit, 8 bit, 8 bit. Whatever the number may be, but it counts as 8 bit. Okay, this is the very important thing because it is calculated with subnet thing. Okay, and let me say one, let me say 10 dot. The IP address which I given in VPC, 10.1.0.0/16. How did I give it? So what I have did is the numbers where you are giving, let me say how it is 16. 8 plus 8 is 16. So this number and this number will not change. These two number you can change it. So what is the numbers? Here you can add till 255 to, you can say 0 to 255, and here also 0 to 255. So you can change these numbers but not this number. Okay, these two IP addresses. Okay, so let me say if I give 10.1.1.0 or 1/24. So what does it means? It means nothing but 10.1.1. I cannot change. 24 is nothing but 8 plus 8 plus 8. So what did I tell? It is equal to 24. So I cannot change the number, right? I cannot change the IP address till I count that bit. 24 bit means I cannot change this IP address, this IP address, and this IP address. So here comes the same. This I can't change, this I can't change, so this I can't change. Here I can put till 255. Okay, this comes under 24. Okay, let me say if I need, so why do we need to put 24? 16, if you ask me that. So if you need multiple IP addresses, so in my company there are only 100 members, so IP addresses changes from 0 to 255, it will cover 100 members, right? So 24 subnet slash 24 subnet is enough for me. Only 100 IP is enough, so I have added extra, so let it be like that. So it will be like slash 24. What if there are 30,000 employees? So what I have to do is I have to give slash 1.0.0/16. 16 is nothing but it will give a number of not a number, around 65,000 IP addresses. How? 0 to 255, 0 to 255. Okay, 16 is nothing but it will not change this IP address and this IP address, but the rest we can change, right? So it will give that many IP addresses. How? So let me say 255 into 255, it comes around 665,025 IP addresses. Okay, and where it is. So yeah, so this many IP addresses I can get with this 65k, right? So this is why I give slash 16. What if 24? It gives me 25, 225 IP addresses. Okay. What if I give only 8, right? 10 dot I have never given, and I have not crossed through that also, but still, yes, you can. If you give 8 means it will add another 255. So there are IP addresses 81,000, 5 lakh 81,000, 65 lakh 1 crore 65 lakh 81,000 IP addresses. But if you give that many IP address assignments, you will be confused or you will not be able to monitor. So nobody will give, even the experts will not give because it is a big environment, right? You cannot manage 1 crore 65 lakhs IP addresses. So that is better if you choose slash 16 or 24. So how do we calculate the bid? We calculate by this each IP address number. Okay, IP addresses each has what you can say. It has total 82. In that 82, if we select only slash 24, it will calculate only this IP address, which it will change 0 to 255. Okay, 0 to 255. If you take 6 slash 16, it will take from 0 to 55 to 0 to 55. So these two numbers will change. Okay, so you will get 65k IP addresses. Yeah. So this is all about IP addresses, IPv4 32-bit, and okay, this is much. So IPv6 it has 128-bit. 128-bit. Let me see. I have not used. So how does it look? Yeah, here you can see. So yeah, it is a big, huge IP address where everyone can be given a number of, not a number, multiple IP addresses. So still now we have not gone to that level, but still yes, in upcoming times it will be needed. So yes, so uh, till now we are using IPv4. Okay, so this is all about subnetting. Let's go back to AWS and see how to create subnet. Okay, and click on create subnet and select VPC. So I have only one VPC and select, check your name or a VPC ID. Okay, and give. Okay, next I subnet name. So I'll give DXC subnet and availability zone. You can give anything. Right now I'm going to give this. So here comes the part. So 10 dot. In my office there will be only like 100 members. So I now need 65k IP addresses. So I will select slash 24. It is enough for me. Okay. Phone dot 1 dot 0 slash 24. Right. All right. And then click on create subnet. It will create. It will create. And if you want to see that, you just reload it. It may take time. Yeah. You can see. Yes. So next comes the route. So how to create a route table? Now, route table is something which allows you where to go. So it is a route which route map you can say. Okay. We will talk about it in the next class. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.